guys, Aniket here. Today we will be diving into everything you need to know about Czech driving license as a foreigner. Whether you are looking to exchange your current driving license or start fresh using driving school, we have got you covered. Let's get started. As a foreigner, you have two main options to get Czech driving license. Number 1, exchange your current driving license for a Czech one. And number 2, go through full driving school process just like first time driver. We will break down both the process. If you are having European driving license, then you are in luck. EU licenses are recognized all over the state, including the Czech Republic. Here is what you need to know. Number 1. You can keep using your European license, exchanging it completely voluntarily unless it's lost, stolen or expired. Number 2. Proof of Czech physical residency. To exchange your European license, you need to prove 6 months of physical residency in Czech Republic. This means having lived and worked here for at least 6 months. Remember, even expired European license can also be exchanged as long as you meet residency requirements. Now, if you have non-European driving license, then things are a little bit complicated. The rules depends on your country's license meets the European standards. Here are the key points. Number 1. If your license meets European standards, you must exchange it within 90 days of starting your official stay in Czech Republic. Examples of countries meeting European standards include UK, Japan, South Korea and Brazil. Number 2. If your license does not meet European standards, you will need to go through Czech driving school and pass all the required tests. Make sure your driving license is translated into Czech if needed. Japan and South Korea have bilateral agreements with the Czech Republic to simplify this process. Here is a visual list of countries meeting and non-meeting European standards. For Czech driving license, here are some common categories. AM, mopeds and small vehicles. A1, A2, A. Motorcycles with increasing power limits. B, BE, B1. Cars, quads and trailers. C, C1, CE. Large goods vehicles. D, D1, DE. Buses and passenger vehicles. Make sure which category you will need before starting the process. If your driving license doesn't meet the European standards and you are not ready to go to the driving school, you can use the international driving license. Here are the things that you can keep in mind. Issued by your home country. International licenses are valid for 1 year and allow you to drive in Czech Republic. Non-renewable. After it expires, you will need a new one from your home country or go through Czech driving school. And if you already have a Czech driving license, then you can get the international one from the Czech Republic. For the people who are thinking about starting it from the scratch from the driving school, here is the process looks like. Number 1. 26 hours of driving lessons. You will train with an accredited instructor. Theoretical study. Prepare for the written test. Health certification. Get a general health checkup from your GP. The driving school usually assists with this. Exams. Pass both written test and driving skill exam. If you are not fluent in Czech, you can take a translator with you to help you during the test. Many foreigners get challenges while getting a driving license in Czech Republic. Here are some of the common issues and how to solve them. Your license doesn't match European standards. Unfortunately, you will need to go through driving school, proving 6 months physical residency. If your biometric card is less than 6 months old, get a confirmation of your legal stay history from the immigration office. Language barrier. Always bring a translator or request assistance from the driving school. There is a quick announcement for the guys who are planning to get a driving license in Czech Republic. I have created a completely free web page with interactive flashcards including Czech traffic signs and their meanings. It's a perfect tool to help you study and feel confident about passing the written driving exam. Link is in the description below. It's completely free, so make sure to take full advantage of this. So that's it for now. If you guys find this video helpful, make sure you like, share and subscribe this YouTube channel. Apart from this, I put some really important information regarding Czech Republic on my Instagram channel. So make sure you follow me there as well. Thank you.